Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to hide photos on Samsung. First, let's set up your secure folder. Begin by opening your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy, then find and select Secure Folder. You will then be guided through a quick setup process, where you can choose a strong lock type like a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint to protect your private content. This ensures only you can access your hidden items. Once your secure folder is ready, moving photos is straightforward. Open your gallery application and carefully select all the pictures you want to keep private. After making your selections, look for the 3 vertical dots or a More option, usually located in the bottom right or top right corner of your screen. Tap this, and then simply choose Move to Secure Folder from the options that appear. Your selected photos will then be securely transferred. Another way to manage visibility is by hiding entire albums directly within your gallery. Open the Gallery app and tap the 3 horizontal lines, usually found in the bottom right, to access the menu. From there, select Settings and then look for the Hide Albums option. You will see a list of your albums. Simply toggle off the switch next to any album you wish to make invisible in your main gallery view. This offers a quick way to declutter and privatize. To view your hidden photos, simply find the Secure Folder application on your home screen or in your app drawer. It often has a distinct icon. Tap on it, and you will be prompted to enter the PIN, pattern, or use your fingerprint that you set up earlier. Once authenticated, you will gain full access to all the photos and files you have moved inside, keeping them completely separate and private from your main gallery. It's a secure and convenient solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.